Hello everyone, in this video we are going to discuss about if else if statement in C++, or sometimes we can say that it is if else if ladder. So what does it mean by if else if else if? Sometimes we require more than one conditions to test, more than two conditions to test. Sometimes we have n number of conditions to test. So we can use if else if statement if we have n number of conditions to check. It will check all if conditions. So it is you can say that it is an alternative to nested if. For example, we have a number, we have an integer number x, we input this number x from console, and now we want to check that this x is positive, negative, or 0. So what type of number it is? Either it is positive or negative or 0. So it means we have three conditions to check here. So for this particular case we can use if else if statement, like for example hash include IOStream using namespace std and now int main and then return 0. So now here let's say we define a number x and we take input for this x, cin x, and then we can say that if x is equal to 0. So this is our first condition. Cout number is 0. If this condition is not true, so instead of writing else, here we can write else if. Else if x less than 0, then cout negative. So in between how many conditions we have? For all the conditions we will write else if, else if, else if, and then finally we will write, for the last condition we will write else if, only else x can be greater than 0. If x is not equal to 0, x is not less than 0, it means x will be greater than 0. So there is no meaning to give any condition. Cout positive. So like this we can write if else if ladder. So now let's try it using Visual Studio. Situation will be more clear to you. So let's say I declare a number here, int num1 cout input num1, and then we will take input for num1 cin num1. Now if num1 is equal to 0, so now the block of this if, so cout number is 0. Next line. If this condition is not true, then else if number less than 0, sorry, num1 is less than 0, then cout number is negative. End line. And finally we have another thing, else. So there is no need to give condition, because if number is not equal to 0, number is not less than 0, then number will be greater than 0. So cout number is positive. Next line. Now let's run this program. See, now this is asking for input, let's say 0. Number is 0. So first condition is true. If first condition is true, it will give you number is 0. No other condition is true. Now let's say negative number, minus 3. Number is negative. Now let's say positive number, 5. Number is positive. So this is how you can write if else if when you have multiple conditions to check. So this is a kind of alternative for that particular nested if statement. Now let's say we want to print result, mark sheet of all of you. So for example, if you get greater than 90, if your marks are greater than 90, then you will get grade A. If your marks are greater than 80 and less than 90, greater than equal to 90, you will get A. Greater than 80 and less than 90, you will get B. Here greater than 90 and it should be less than equal to 100, because out of 100 we are printing. Now greater than 70 and less than 80, grade will be C. Now greater than equal to 60 and less than, sorry, greater than equal to 50 and less than 60. So your grades will be D. And when your marks are less than 50, your grades will be, you will get NF. Your grades will be failed. So here we have 6 conditions to check. So here these conditions we can check using if else if ladder. So let's check it. Now let's write a program for grade. So let's say we will input the marks. So marks can be of any type, integer also, float also. So float marks, cout input marks for student, and then we will input marks, cin marks. Now let's say if marks less than 100 and marks greater than equal to 90. Cout A. Why there is an error? I forgot to write semicolon. So cout A. If this condition is not true, so we have another condition. So else if marks less than 90 and marks greater than equal to 80. So grade should be B. Let's copy and paste it. So grade should be B. Same, we have another condition. So else if, I should copy paste it here. So else if marks less than 80 and greater than equal to 70. So now your grade will be C. Similarly, else if marks less than 70 and greater than equal to 60. So now grades will be D. For all other marks, your grades is going to be F. You are going to get fail. Else, cout F. So for last one, we will write only else, and in between you can write else if, else if, else if. So here we print the grade when we will input the marks, and if marks less than 100 and greater than, so we can say less than equal to 100 because maximum marks are 100. So if marks are less than equal to 100 and greater than equal to 90, grades will be A. Likewise, we print the grade. Now let's run it. So let's say I print marks are 65. So D, because greater than 60 and less than 70. Now let's run it again. Let's say marks are 95.5. So grade is A. So likewise it will print. Now let's say marks are less than 60. So let's say marks are 45. F, fine. But here you can, if you want to make your program more precise, you can add one more condition. For example, if marks are, here I can add if marks greater than 100, either marks are greater than 100 or marks are less than 0. So it means wrong input. Marks cannot be less than 0, marks cannot be greater than 100. So only if one condition is true, it means we are giving wrong input. So here we will write or marks less than 0. See out input again. Okay. So because here we write first if here, so we can write else if here. So now it is a perfect program. Now for example, let's say I write marks are 300, input again, wrong input. Fine. So this is how if you have multiple conditions, so we have if else if statement also in C++. So you can just, you have to take care about the conditions, how to put the conditions, and just keep in mind that there should be a space between else and if. You cannot write it without a space, it's an error. Okay, there should be a space between else and if. So in this video we learn about if else if statement, or we can say else if ladder. Thank you.